So I'm just going to be reading the fact sheet straight from the FDA. Emergency use authorization dated, the original authorization date is December 2021. And here are some highlights that I'm going to be reading. Paxlavoid is not an appropriate therapeutic option based on the authorized fact sheet for healthcare providers, or due to potential drug interactions for which recommended monitoring would not be feasible. Paxlavoid is not approved for any use, including or use as treatment of COVID-19. Limitations of authorized use. Paxlavoid is not authorized for initiation of treatment in patients requiring hospitalization due to severe or critical COVID-19. Paxlavoid is not authorized for pre-exposure or post-exposure prophylaxis for prevention of COVID-19. Let's scroll down here. You can read this all yourself. Risk summary for pregnancy. There are no available human data on the use of nirmatrelvir during pregnancy to evaluate for drug-associated risk of major birth defects, miscarriage, or adverse maternal or fetal outcomes. The estimated background risk of major birth defects and miscarriage for the indicated population is unknown. All pregnancies have a risk of birth defect, loss, or other adverse outcomes. In the U.S. general population, the estimated background risk of major birth defects and miscarriage in clinically recognized pregnancies is 2 to 4% and 15 to 20%, respectively. Clinical considerations, disease-associated maternal and or embryo-fetal risk. COVID-19 in pregnancy is associated with adverse maternal and fetal outcomes, including preeclampsia, eclampsia, preterm birth, premature rupture of membranes, venous, thromboembolic disease, and fetal death. Okay. Risk summary for lactation. There are no available data on the presence of nirmatrelvir in human or animal milk, the effects on breastfed infant, or the effects on milk production. There is no information on the effects of ritonavir on the breastfed infant or the effects of the drug on milk production. For pediatric use, Paxlavoid is not authorized for use in pediatric patients younger than 12 years of age or weighing less than 40 kilograms. The mechanism of action for nirmatrelvir. Okay, nirmatrelvir was found to bind directly to the SARS-CoV-2 M-Pro active site of X-ray crystallography. And then you can, if you so care to, you can go look at the rest of the document by Pfizer, distributed by Pfizer Labs, divisions of Pfizer Incorporated in New York.